quit your job. Lock in on your dream. No more sad 9 to 5. No more hateful Mondays. No more boss telling you what to do. Feels all like winning, right? Except the course costs $5,000 and you only got 50. So you go into debt to buy your dream. And 97% of people lose it all. Meet Alex, a 22-year-old who hates his 9 to 5. Then he finds him, the guy in the Lamborghini, screaming, "I quit my job, you can quit it too." Alex watches every video and at the end buys the course for $4,997. He tells his friends, "This is it, I'm done being broke." 3 months in, no clients, no sales, no brand new Lamborghini. He checks his bank account. Minus $39. He checks his course dashboard. 94% haven't even finished module 1. He's not special, he's not failing, he's just one of the 97%. And the guy in the Lamborghini, he already got paid as soon as Alex clicked the button buy. And it's not just one guy. Open every app. Every third video says the same thing. Different faces, different niches, but always the same script. That's not just coincidence, that's a pattern. And pattern like this, they lock you in the same place over and over and over again. Promising a future income number is illegal. The FTC, the basically Americans' consumer watchdog, already banned companies and people from promising exact income numbers. So instead of a promise, they show you a lifestyle. They show you a car, a watch, a caption that says, "This could be you," which technically isn't a claim. And that's the loophole this industry is on. So it's the algorithm. Fine, but someone figured that out first. Someone learned exactly what the algorithm rewards and build a business on it. So is this really just a system accident? Or did somebody find a cheat code and started selling it to you? Now about the pattern we spoke about earlier. Because the pattern isn't coming from them. It's coming from the algorithm. I quit my job gets hundreds, even thousands more views than I went to work today. But important, the algorithm are basically the people. So at the end of the day, the algorithm, the people, don't push honesty, they don't want honesty, but instead they push dumb lies. They engage in dumb lies. Even creators who aren't selling nothing, who don't have anything to do with it, get pulled into the same script. Because that's the only version that gets seen. The algorithm doesn't care if it's true. It just cares how it performs on the platform. So, did somebody find a cheat code? Turns out yes. Remember the guy, him, with the Lamborghini Alex followed? He didn't stumble into millions of views by accident. He tested titles, he tested hooks. He found exactly what the algorithm likes. Then, like every normal businessman, he built a business around it, feeding them exactly that, forever. And here's the part nobody tells you. The Lamborghini guy doesn't need you to quit your job. He doesn't even need or want your success. He needs you to believe you can. Long enough so you press buy. Because the moment you pay, he already won. Your Lamborghini dream, that's not his goal for you. It's his business model. Alex, he never got the lifestyle. He never got the freedom. But the guy in the Lamborghini, he got exactly what he wanted. From Alex and from everyone who made it almost. 2. They don't want your success. They want money. So next time someone screams, "Quit your 9 to 5," ask what they are selling. I break down business models like this every week. And one thing that doesn't cost you $5,000. It's even for free. Go down and click the subscribe button. Alex is fine, by the way. He's back at his 9 to 5. He still hates the Mondays. But now he knows the difference between a dream and a funnel. And that's worth more than every course ever sold to him.